sure to run a diagnostic on the control unit. Could be a short. Oh, why don't you do the honors this time?
I think we did it.
Next step, neural interface.
That's a lot of work for you to do by yourself. Sure you can handle it?
Apparently not, judging by today's debacle.
Because I still haven't found another job.
My funds are still...
I know. It's okay. Don't worry, I'll figure it out. What's a few bucks when you're trying to change the world, right?
to changing the world.
Missed call from MJ. Doctor, I need to go, but I'll be back later.
Don't worry, the work will still be here when you get back.
What's that? Hey, sorry I missed your call. We still on for dinner?
Dinner? Oh, yeah. I was calling you about something else, but yeah, we should talk over dinner.
Offer still stands for me to come over and cook.
Oh, really? Well, I like to take risks. I'm still out, but I'll grab some stuff at the store and let you know when I'm home.
Okay, talk soon. All right, dinner at MJ's. Low expectations. It'll be hard to screw this one up. Guess I'll just freelance for a while until she calls.
Spider-Man in the flesh. Wow. It's you! It's really you!
This is Control. Where are we with Union Square? Demons are firing on our APC. This is Stable Control. Need a report of the situation north of Houston. Outpost is under siege by demons.
Almost shot a rat.
Need to get this guy out of my way.
Martin Lee's really paying the boss?
Yeah, we build this war beast for Lee. Lee finances the boss's new venture. Win-win.
Well, you better clean your slag off
Knocking
that
something
sloppy
over
well.
might distract
Boss sees
this
that,
guy.
he'll be pissed.
Am I hearing things?
Yo, Rick! Boss wants to talk to you. Get in here!
Need to get into that office.
So what's the boss doing with the money from this? So what's the boss doing with the money from this Lee job?
What are they building? Is this all for Lee?
You tried any yet?
Careful.
over
Hey,
there?
I heard something.
Easy does it.
This place is creeping me out.
What kind of vehicle needs tires this big?
Where is it? I swear I left it over here. Hey, anyone pick up more beer after our last run?
What was that sound? I swear I heard something.
That guy's not going anywhere. Maybe I can distract him.
Hell with that.
What is this? Some kind of military hardware? There's the office. A lot of men in the way, though. Those barrels seem important. Alchemax. What's in these?
Boss, come on! We'll never notice!
Tombstone.